Larvotto Resources is an ASX-listed development and exploration company with 4 projects across Australia and New Zealand. The company is focused on discovering multiple in-demand commodities, including copper, gold, antimony, cobalt, rare earths, lithium, PGEs, and nickel. Under the guidance of our highly experienced board, which boasts a strong track record in exploration, capital finance and project advancement, Larvotto is well positioned to develop its projects and make major discoveries. In October 2023, Larvotto announced the transformational acquisition of the Hillgrove Gold Antimony Project, located 23 kilometres east of Armidale, New South Wales. Hillgrove has a high-grade JORC resource of 1.4 million ounces gold equivalent at 6.1 grams per tonne gold equivalent and contains 6 key mining areas within 48 permitted mining licences. The remainder of Larvotto's portfolio comprises largely unexplored assets in Tier 1 locations in Australia and New Zealand, with each project strategically located near producing mines and existing infrastructure. The Hillgrove project acquisition is transformative for Larvotto, shifting it from purely an explorer to a significant resources development company.
It really is a transformational deal for the company. It's not often that you can get 1.4 million ounces at 6.2 grams per tonne for $6 an ounce and put that into a company that hasn't been in existence for 2 years. We worked very, very hard to make it real. But now that it's there, it really is something that moves the company forward and will give us a very strong basis. As part of the transaction, we've also acquired a fully functional processing plant. This plant operated as recently as last year. It was in caretaker mode since that point, but we look forward to being able to bring that back into production in the near term as well when we've got our resources and reserves finalised. The plant is in very good condition. It's the first time it will have run as both a gold and antimony plant so that we can get the benefits from a record gold price and a near record antimony price at the same time. Previously, it's run as a gold mine and it's run as an antimony mine, but it's never run as both. So we're going to get the benefit from both of these high-grade minerals now.
Larvotto's strategic move to acquire Hillgrove for $8 million positions the company as a potential developer with a substantial mineral resource estimate, enhancing Larvotto's growth strategy and driving shareholder value.
Path production is to advance resources and show everybody that this is a much, much larger gold field than the current 1.4 million ounces. There's already been 750,000 ounces mined in this field, so that puts it at well over 2 million now, and we'd like to demonstrate that it's a lot larger than that. Because the resources currently 65% measured and indicated, we'll be moving those into reserve status, putting current economic costs in, underground mining costs, processing costs, and coming out with a reserve statement. To be able to do that at such a high grade within 2 years of listing, it's a unique situation that not many in our position have been able to replicate.
Larvotto's exploration activities extend from one side of Australia with the Air Rare Earths Lithium and Multi-Metals Project in Western Australia, all the way to Mount Isa Copper, Gold and Cobalt Project in northwest Queensland, Australia, and across the Tasman Sea to the AuEq Gold Project in New Zealand. A long strike from the famous Mount Isa mine, our Mount Isa project is approximately 900 square kilometres and holds vast potential for near-surface mineralisation of copper, gold and cobalt. Our early work has uncovered significant near-surface cobalt results in hand specimen associated with copper mineralisation. Management has been delighted with the initial exploration across the enormous tenement package. In 2023, Larvotto completed a 2,100-metre reverse circulation drilling program, with planning for a detailed exploration program in 2024 underway. Larvotto's Air project, located 30 kilometres east of Norseman in southeast Western Australia, offers a vast early-stage exploration opportunity adjacent to world-class gold and nickel mines. The recent 2,383-metre drilling program targeting multiple commodities, including lithium, nickel and PGE, has unveiled promising prospects with metallurgical test work on initial bonanza rare earth samples also undertaken. In the scenic North Island of New Zealand, Larvotto is exploring the AuEq Gold Project with a rich history of gold mineralisation. Recent exploration has identified 2 long zones of potentially higher grade gold mineralisation, propelling Larvotto's commitment to unlocking the area's full potential. Larvotto Resources, with its 1.4 million ounces gold equivalent at 6.1 grams per tonne gold equivalent JORC Mineral Resources, is looking forward to a prosperous future, being well positioned to develop its projects and make major discoveries to boost its resource base.